Hey, Facebook, YouTube. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is Thursday the 29th, believe it or not. And this is the second job of the day. We got two areas we're doing carpet cleaning, which is our minimum is 180 to come out. And then they had some pet areas. They need some pet treatment. And you guys know we charge $45 per bowl size. And they had multiple areas in each room, so I just gave a flat rate of $135 per room. Brought to $270 for two areas. And they called me a couple weeks ago, got the schedule. So they had a guest stay with them, and they had a dog, and they had some potty issues. And of course, the kids spill stuff and things like that, toddlers, and so forth. So I'm here to take care of them today, because the biggest investment in your home is your carpet. And it's the biggest filter as well. So we're taking care of that for them today. And all is going well. I'm just agitating the fiber yarns because it was already pre-treated. And the product is already emulsifying. Because remember, guys, you cannot clean urine. You have to treat it. And we got to let that dwell. And once it's dwell, we can actually liquefy it and turn it back into a liquid form. And then we can extract it. So that's what we're going to do. And then steam it out to sanitize the fiber yarn. So that's what we're doing now. And this machine here is called a CRB. This is actually it stands for a counter rotating brush. It gets to all sides of the fiber yarns. It goes in that little chamber right there. And basically it gets all sides of the fibers. And it also resets the memory pile. So it does multiple things simultaneously. And that is a big benefit and value to getting your carpets clean. All right, guys, so after I get done with this, I'm going to steam them out. Stay tuned for some results. Thanks for watching. Got 4 estimates tomorrow of hardwood. And then we got a carpet job after that. And then we're booked up, guys, about 3 weeks now. I'm getting busy around the holidays. Fall weather, which is my favorite time, is getting pretty busy. So if you guys need our service, it's best just to make an appointment early so you guys can get ready in time for the holidays. Looking beautiful, guys. And remember, we not only do soft surface like carpet and upholstery, we do hard surface too, like hardwood, tile and grout, VCT, and luxury vinyl planks. Beautiful, guys. Just beautiful. Carpet responded very well. Nice little plush carpet, contractor grade. Beautiful. All right, guys, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, this is the second bedroom we're doing now. Again, responded very well. And just remember, we do a plethora of other services as well besides flooring. We also do duct cleaning and dryer vent cleaning. So again, when it comes to your floors or ducts cleaning, we got you covered. We know them, we love them. Doing this for over 20 years. It's a great feeling, guys. In fact, people find us all over the place on our YouTube channel, AO Cleaning Carpet Restoration. Also on Facebook, AO Cleaning Carpet Restoration. And on Google. Our phone has been blowing up all day today. We booked 8 estimates. And especially around the fall, guys, we get so busy. But again, if you guys want to get on our schedule, just give us a call. Of course, there's always no obligation. And typically, we can give you a quote over the phone. Everything besides hardwood. Because hardwood, we got to look at it. Because there's different kind of wood species out there and all kind of variables. But for any other service, we can pretty much quote you over the phone. And again, you know we do it by the area. So look at this, guys. Going so good. And it smells amazing. If you guys can smell it, oh my goodness. It smells divine. It's called Sea Breeze. That's the odor counteract mixed with the clean agents that we use with the neutral rinse to neutralize the pH back down to a 7 to make it soft, leaving no residue. Of course, you guys know that, right? All my videos you watch. Again, appreciate your support and your loyalty. And as always, if I can be any assistance, reach out to us. Happy to help. Thanks again so much for watching. See you in the next one. Beautiful. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.